Sometimes situations happen in life which is not in your favor. You have to let go. And all who know what I'm talking about can relate. You have to turn over a new leaf, start all over. That's why I'm saying to you, my sunshine has come, all bright eyes, and I'm all bright eyes. There's no more rain in this skies. My sunshine has come, oh yeah, and I'm on bright eyes. There's no more rain in this skies. There's no hiding place when someone has hurt you, 'cause it's written on your face, and it reads, broken